Hello, I'm sorry I'm a little late. This one is Avon makeup. So I'll put here in the first subject in my hand. Okay, see? It's beautiful, right? It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's wake up now. Are you ready to wake up? Okay. Here's eyebrow for this. So we use this one. This one now. This one. Oh, look at it. See? See? So I'll make up already. So I'll put it in my eyes, small only. And need too small. And next, I'll brush it. It's already done. You have to put again a brown. You have to put in here. See? It's browning and now you turn the nose. Like that. So that is the proper method properly. So let's put the eyeshadow. Like that. And eyeshadow, so it is only a light shadow. Like that. Now, if you want the beautiful, just make it this one. And learning makeup. See? It's like that, properly. Like that. And like that. Here, like that. And like that. You have a baby in your tummy. Only small for this one. Like that. So on the next stage is hit it properly open. You have to put eyeshadow makeup. See?
In the absence of local supplies sa kahoy ng kailangan, nitugutan ba sa atong gobyerno ang importation sa mga kahoy?
Yes. Ito lang sa pilit niya. Actually, sa dami namin ang hindi ba magkaroon ng mga budget. Yung kahoy ay yun ay pag-isip na nagkasuhan namin kayo po sila. Tapos nanay, kaya ako'y bakit instant ito mga pinahapa na niya.
Then, I'll come back for a while. I will get my makeup on. Start here.
Dari sa Butuano, ako sa Norte, sa may usog na import o kahoy doon.
We use powder for this wonderful afternoon. Let's use. Okay. See? So let's put the original powder and
Mr. Domingo, sa ako naman yung pa-expound sa imo about sa sustainable supply, willing maong mga plantahan. Ako sabay pamahagian niya ang makalahutay sila sa mga operation.
Now it's done. Are you ready to lipstick? I'll get the lipstick first. In my bag.
Okay, o sabi may tabo kung wala sila ikapakita na sustainable supply.
A pink lipstick here, see. It's coming.
Okay. So at least taksara tayo ang panisikaro sa itong administration.
Kaya naman siguro.
Let's start. Video See? Now, so like this, you have to put an original look.
Sa lokal ba, kini mga bagsuhan o suming ang nagsarado. O nagsarado na kawa, yung isok pa, yun na may ubang yung Japon na dati.
See you for our makeup. Please put your gun off. Please call 0939-652-6149. That is my original number. Thank you on my phone.